Today we'll take a short look at Be Verb Questions. 今日は Be 動詞の質問をちょっと見てみます。These are three very common forms of Be Verb sentences. The first sentence is subject, be verb, and location. Second sentence is subject, be verb, and adjective. And third is subject, be verb, and noun. These are three very common forms for be verbs. これ be 動詞の3つのよく使われている形。主語 be 動詞 plus 場所。主語 be 動詞 plus 形容詞。主語 be 動詞 plus 名詞。3つのよく使われている形。And today we're going to change these sentences into questions. How do we make a question from a be verb sentence? どうやってbe 動詞の文章から質問できる? How can we make a question from a be verb sentence? To make a question from a be verb sentence, we simply bring the be verb to the beginning of the sentence. So, is a pencil on the desk? Is a question. Also, at the end of the sentence, we want to raise our voice a little bit. Is a pencil on the desk? To make a question. be 動詞の質問の作り方は be 動詞を先に持ってくる。で、is a pencil on the desk? 最後の方に声をちょっと上げる。Okay. And looking at the second one, grass is green. This one also, we want to bring the be verb to the beginning of the sentence. And we would get is grass green? be 動詞を先に持ってきて、で、is grass green? And ちょっと声を上げるんです。が質問になる。And looking at the last one, John is a policeman. This one also, we'll want to bring the be verb to the beginning. 最後の方も be 動詞を先に持ってくると、and 最後に声を上げる。Is John a policeman? をすれば be 動詞の質問はできるんですね。で、結局答えをしなきゃいけないんですね。So, is a pencil on the desk? Yes, it is. Or no, it isn't. So, if we want to answer this question, is a pencil on the desk? We can say yes it is, or no it isn't. And is grass green? And yes, it is. We can say yes it is or no it isn't. I believe grass is green, so the answer should be yes it is. 草は緑ですか? はい、そうです。は正しいと思います。Is John a policeman? Yes, he is. Or no, he isn't. ジョンさんは警察官ですか? はい、そうです。いえ、そうではありません。So, if we want to make a question with a be verb sentence, we simply bring the be verb to the beginning of the sentence. And at the end of the question, we want to raise our voice. And we can make a be verb sentence with that. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. 質問があったらコメントのところで聞いてください。